Absolutely raining its butt off all morning here. This is crazy. See here, look. Look at that, would you? I mean, seriously, hang on. The Super 55 literally does not care about a rainstorm or whatever you throw at it. It's just sitting here running 250 and it'll do it all day long. And I can be over there working on the porch, smelling barbecue all day, but not forget about making phone calls, all the stuff I got to do. So anyway, grab yourself one of these things. You won't regret it. Want to see the pork butt?